it's time to change out the battery. Got me a new red top. Hopefully it'll be a good one. Should be. I've had really good luck with my red top in my truck, so counting on this one to be good too. Let's get this thing changed out. Also got a new battery cover. I'm going to see if it'll work with that red top. It wouldn't work with this yellow top because of the top posts that were on it. So I hope it'll work because I really want to use it. Nobody else has got one that I've seen around here. I think you'll be pretty pleased with it. If I remember right, these things are kind of a pain to get out, but hopefully it won't be too bad. There we go. Cables always get caught underneath there. Not a big deal. Just gotta wrestle them out. Alright. Come on, baby. You can do it. I think I might need a new nut. Yep, I need a new tray. That blows. Battery's in. Looks like I'll just need to get me a new battery tray for the nut, or the bolt. This is for my battery charger, which I'm going to hook up now, because I don't know how long that battery's been sitting. So I got me a battery tender plus for my truck, and a C-Tech for this. But the C-Tech has been acting weird, so I'm going to try this battery tender plus on it. So there's the new battery. I'm going to have to tuck that down underneath there for my new cover to work. But I'll be back when I get a new battery tray, I guess. Okay, so I was doing some thinking on this earlier. Got my new red top battery in, and the mount bolt wouldn't tighten down. Just kept spinning. I found out the threads are all foobarred. So I went to Ace Hardware, got me a new bolt and a new fender washer. I can't remember what size it is offhand, but if I think of it, I will put it in the description, or even in this video. But anyway, I chased a hole with this bolt that I got, and it works pretty good, but the nut is still good. So we're going to go ahead and try to mount this. Oh yeah, that got tight. I like that. Battery's nice and snug now. I think we're going to be good with that. So let's go ahead and hook the battery back up again then. So my thinking is, I ordered a new battery tray. Now I don't need one. So I might be selling one here shortly. Or, knowing me, I will probably just keep it, because I like to have extra parts laying around. I'm hoping this red top lasts as long as one of my truck did. That would be awesome. I'm not counting on it, but that would be awesome. That thing's been in there for 14 years. Alright. A little more room on the negative side here. Man, I can't wait to move out of Arizona. It's freaking hot. Okay, got it. Now I'll show you my little surprise of a battery cover. I hope it's going to work. Alright, I've only seen these in a couple places. One of them's actually on Jay Leno's Z06 that he has, his yellow one. Anyways, this is what it is. Little toolbox. I've only seen a couple of these in my lifetime, so I'm hoping it's going to work.
Do I have to be on there?
It's a fuse box, so I don't think it would have to be on there. Hate to have dirt and stuff get in there.
Yeah, I hate that too. On your car.
Fits perfect without it.
Okay then. Leave that on for shows, and if we take trips, we'll put the other back on. Don't you think it'd be safer?
Okay, well, I do like the looks of it though. And in reality, it is covered, you know?
But not as good as it would be.
Right. I mean, there's no dust or anything that's going to get in there because it is pretty much sealed off from the elements because of this. All the way around it.
Oh, well.
So that's the way we got to put that on there, I guess. Without the lid. Didn't rub it, huh?
So what'd you do?
I put that lip down below the edge there, so
Huh.
it's catching on a little bit of the fender. But I think it looks good. Matches that pretty good. But for right now, I'll put the other one back on there. Now we can just drive around whenever we want to. Right?
Yeah, for show.
What I could do also is drill a hole in this
You fit over that spot.
so it'll bolt down there and put that chrome cap on them.
Oh, that would look nice. Ooh, that would look good.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know if that thing's long enough though. I don't know. I think it looks good though. The battery's nice and tight though, that's the main thing. So.
That's good.
Yep. I think I gotta get rid of this little thing here. This thing's easy to put in. Like that. Like that. And like that. I kind of like that better.
I do too.
Because it kind of has the chrome over there, chrome over there.
I like that. I like the chrome.
Okay. Well,
Sell it to somebody else.
it's not cheap. They're hard. They don't ever come up for sale anywhere. I've never been able to use it because I always had a top post battery in there. Anyways, I'm going to put the battery back on the charger and give it a good full charge overnight.
No, I think that box helps set off this box and this chrome. I like that.
Yeah. I agree. Oh. Anyways, I don't know what to do now. Let me know. Battery's got a full charge on it, so let's see how it starts. Oh yeah, that's much better. Much better. Bolts are looking good too. Alright. I'm happy with that.